When it comes to increasing your home's value, few improvements deliver as much impact as upgrading your windows. In Fort Lauderdale, where sunshine, humidity, and coastal breezes shape daily life, modern windows not only enhance a home's appearance but also improve energy efficiency, comfort, and long-term property value. A smart investment in energy efficiency. Fort Lauderdale's tropical climate means homes endure intense heat and high humidity for much of the year. Older, single-pane or poorly sealed windows can allow cool air to escape, forcing air conditioning systems to work harder. This translates into higher energy bills and an uncomfortable living environment. Upgrading to energy-efficient windows, such as double-pane, low-E, low emissivity, or impact-resistant glass, creates a thermal barrier that keeps indoor temperatures stable. Homeowners often see a noticeable reduction in cooling costs while enjoying a quieter, more comfortable home. For buyers in South Florida, energy efficiency is a strong selling point, often tipping the scales in favor of modernized homes. Enhancing curb appeal and modern style first impressions matter, especially in competitive housing markets like Fort Lauderdale. New windows can completely transform a home's exterior. Whether you choose sleek aluminum frames for a contemporary coastal vibe or classic vinyl designs that complement traditional architecture, window upgrades instantly boost visual appeal. Curb appeal plays a significant role in home valuation. A stylish, updated facade signals to buyers that the property has been well maintained. With Florida's design trends leaning toward light-filled, open spaces, windows that maximize natural light while framing outdoor views make homes feel larger and more inviting. Hurricane protection and peace of mind. Fort Lauderdale homeowners understand the importance of storm safety. Investing in impact-resistant windows not only enhances security but also adds measurable value to your property. These windows are designed to withstand powerful winds and flying debris, a must-have during hurricane season. Beyond safety, many insurance companies offer premium discounts for homes equipped with hurricane-rated windows. This added protection, combined with long-term cost savings, increases a home's marketability and perceived value. Buyers are more likely to pay a premium for homes that offer both beauty and resilience. Reducing noise and increasing comfort. Fort Lauderdale's bustling neighborhoods and proximity to airports and beaches mean exterior noise can sometimes disrupt tranquility. Modern insulated windows are excellent at reducing outdoor sounds, creating a quieter indoor atmosphere. For homeowners who work remotely or simply enjoy peaceful evenings, this feature is invaluable. Comfort also extends to better climate control. Quality window installations prevent drafts and block UV rays, protecting interior furnishings from fading and minimizing the strain on cooling systems. Environmental responsibility and market appeal. Today's homebuyers are increasingly eco-conscious. Installing sustainable, energy-efficient windows aligns your property with green living standards. Many modern window materials are recyclable, and their energy-saving benefits reduce a home's carbon footprint. In a market like Fort Lauderdale, where waterfront properties and eco-friendly upgrades are in demand, environmental improvements can make your home stand out. Realtors often highlight these features in listings, helping sellers command higher offers and faster sales. The bottom line: value beyond aesthetics. Window upgrades in Fort Lauderdale go far beyond visual enhancement. They improve energy efficiency, reinforce safety, reduce noise, and increase long-term property value, all while making your home more comfortable and stylish. Whether you're planning to sell soon or simply want to invest in your property's future, new windows offer one of the best returns on investment available. For homeowners ready to modernize their space, professional window replacement is not just a renovation, it's a value-boosting transformation that pays dividends in comfort, savings, and resale appeal.